I wouldn't say that I have the nicest of smiles, but then I guess I think it's just something I thought I was going to have to live with. I always remember when I was a teenager, I had to have 6 teeth taken out at once, which at that age is a huge confidence knock. You know, you smile without even thinking about it whenever you meet new people, and to not feel confident in the way that your smile looks is something that's really heartbreaking. After that, I was given a denture to put into the top of my mouth. It has 3 teeth on it, but I didn't have anything for the bottom set, and I've still got some gaps here. And naturally over time, your teeth yellow, and I wouldn't say that I'm fully happy with my smile at all. I found instasmile through Instagram actually. I think I must have liked something, or it came up anyway, and I started to look into it more and more. I started to hear about people's stories and see the befores and afters and the difference it made with a non-surgical clip-in veneer. And I thought maybe this is for me. When you sign up, you get a self-impressions kit that you do at home. Before you knew it, I'd done it and I was ready to send it off. And then you just wait a couple of weeks and your smile comes back. And it's so exciting when you get it and you're ready to put it in and see what the outcome's going to be. I actually got mine a couple of days ago, and I'm going to show you now what it looks like. First, this is the smile with my denture in. You can see that there is a bit of yellowing, and that you can kind of notice where the real teeth are and where the denture is. And I'll show you what the denture looks like out as well. This is my smile with nothing in. It's not my favourite sight. This is how they come in a nice little box like this. It takes a couple of weeks once you've done the impressions for them to get to you. Once you get them, you can, or even while you're waiting for them, you can watch the tracking and you can get emails from them to say where they are. And then inside the box, so I got these a couple of days ago now, and I'm really, really happy with them. You get this nice little travel case. You can put this in a bag or take it away with you. It's got a mirror in there so that you can put them in if you're on the go or anything like that. So let me put them in for you. So I've stuck my denture in at the moment, so I'm going to take that out and put that over there. Okay, so let's put in the bottom set first. So they just click in. They're really, they feel quite sturdy, they've got a nice shine to them, and they'll just click into my bottom set. It makes such a difference already. There you go, you can see my bottom set in there. And you can just see, even with this, the difference between the teeth I've got on the top and on the bottom, just even with the colour. Okay, let's go ahead and put in the full set. And just like that, my smile is completely different. When you put them in, to begin with, it feels a little bit foreign or strange because you're just not used to having them in there. But after like 5-10 minutes, they feel really normal. You get a little bit of a lisp at the beginning, but that disappears once your mouth is used to them. But I mean, you can't deny the difference it makes. It's huge.